Welcome to my milking cottage on the Demi Rosa. Hi everyone, today we're going to do yogurt. And please like and subscribe. I need all the help I can get so that other people can see and learn how to do this fun stuff. So let's get started. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our fresh Jersey milk, and here's our cream line. We're gonna shake it really good. Really good. I should make an exercise video. And then we're going to pour it into our instant pot. That's the easiest way I have found to make yogurt. And believe you me, I've made a lot of yogurt. So it's in the instant pot. There. And what we do now, we're gonna hook up our Screamin' Mimi, because we sometimes walk away and forget what we're doing and do other things, and I need something to go, hey, don't forget. So we've turned on our Screamin' Mimi, and we're going to, she's already screaming at me, and we're going to get it set on our temperatures. And on the yogurt, for our culture, we're just gonna use the yogurt that I made yesterday. So we can have continuous yogurt, which is really good because people love it. People want to buy it. And so therefore I have to keep it on hand, and I do. So we've set it on our temperature. It has to reach 180 degrees. So we will stick our thermometer, our sensor, into our pot. Okay, our thermometer's in, our milk is in. So now we're going to hit saute, and we're going to wait for our temperature to reach 180 degrees. Well, Miss Screamin' Mimi is saying time's up. So we're going to lift it out of the Instant Pot and move it over to the counter. We're gonna turn saute off. Owie, that's hot. And we're gonna get our, thank you. We're going to get our slotted spoon so that we can help cool it quicker. Because now what we're going to do is set Miss Mimi for 115 degrees. And we want to cool it off to that before we can put in our culture, which will be the yogurt that I just made yesterday. So we'll do that as soon as the temperature reaches 115. Just pulled the sourdough bread out of the oven. Wish you were here to smell and taste this. Back to yogurt. Well, our Miss Screamin' Mimi says time's up. So this is a good thing. So we're going to take the thermometer out of our yogurt. Push it over here. And then we have the yogurt that I made yesterday. And we're gonna get out a 1/4 cup of that. I always do a little bit more. And then we're going to put it into our 115 degree milk. Now we're going to get this incorporated into our yogurt. I like to use my whisk to really get it in there good. And remember, all your utensils need to be clean and sterilized. And it looks like we got it pretty incorporated. So that is really excellent. Okay, so we have got the culture in our warm milk, And I put the Instant Pot on the back counter because it's going to be percolating, making yogurt for 8 hours. I don't want it to be in my way on the other counter. So we're ready to go. We're going to push the yogurt setting, and that's 8 hours. Then we're going to put our lid on and make sure that it's not on, it's really, so no steam. And we're going to, or no, for no pressure. And then we're just gonna let it do its little thing for 8 hours, and we'll be back when it's done. Well, we have reached yogurt. It has been 8 hours, and so now I'm going to remove the lid and pour it into our strainer. It is yogurt now, but it will be Greek yogurt by tomorrow morning. So let me get a little spatula in case I need it, because everybody needs little spatulas. Okay, here we go. Right into our Greek yogurt maker. It gets rid of all the whey to make it much more, to make it thicker. And then we will let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. And tomorrow we will have nice, thick yogurt. I'll put it in the fridge and we're done. Well, I pulled the yogurt out of the refrigerator and you can see all the whey that is dripped out overnight, and really it's been half a day. I had to go run errands this morning, so it's really lost a lot of whey, which is really good, makes it only thicker. So there's our yogurt. And we're going to now get it out of that and into our 1 quart jar, which is about how much it makes, which is really cool. So 1/2 gallon of milk makes 1 quart of yogurt. So get it on here. And then you can save this whey to do with whatever you'd like. Feed it to the chickens, put it in bread, drink it, I guess some people do. But it's a lot of really good whey, as you can see. So let's push this down. See how thick that is? Yummy, yummy. You wouldn't want to have a big bowl of this with some blueberries in the morning. Some granola, warm, fresh granola. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. This is the way to go. It's excellent. Yummy. Okay, well that's it. We have our yogurt. God bless y'all. Like and subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.